guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree video. We are talking about the Dollar Tree fake nails, Sassy and Chic. If you are interested to see some of the patterns from the Sassy and Chic fake nail line as well as how to apply them, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so this May series is all about money saving May, and you know that I'm going to throw a lot of Dollar Tree stuff in here and it's gonna surprise you, I can guarantee it. But today we are going to be talking about a manicure for $1. Well, I should actually probably say like $2, depending on what you have at home already. For me, it was like $1.50. No, it was $2.50. So for some of you, it could be $1. For others, it could not. But a manicure for $1. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the Dollar Tree. You know I love the Dollar Tree. It's my place to go. I go there probably once or twice a week. Like, I'm not even kidding, because they always are getting new things in. So the Dollar Tree has this line called Sassy and Chic, and they have these fun and easy to apply fake nails from Sassy and Chic, and they're $1. Okay, so look at how many that I have, because I always go and I always pick up like one or two when I'm there, because you never know when you're gonna need a good manicure every once in a while. So these are $1 each. You get 12 nails in one packet, and for me, I can use one pack if they're solid. Some of them, like this pattern, have a see-through bottom, and so I'll get 2 just to make sure that it looks a little bit better and that I get the perfect fit on my nail. But if they're solid like this one, then I can just get one and I'm good to go. I'm going to take these out and show you all of the different patterns that I have, because I think everybody is sleeping on how cute these Sassy and Chic nails are. Like, honestly, I was stunned whenever I got my first one, and it was like I did it on my Instagram story like a long time ago. I'm gonna have to see if I can find it, but I got a French manicure with like a silver line, and then I got another French manicure with like a little bow. So then I went back and I started like really digging through all of the different patterns and stuff they had, and they keep getting cuter. Like, they keep having such cute patterns, which is why I keep buying more and more and more. And I just stockpile them because in case I have somewhere to be or I have to meet somebody, you just pop them on with some nail glue. Okay, and they're just something cute and fun. Like I said, they're just something so easy, because I know a lot of people out there, they struggle with either having really short nails or really brittle nails, or just not having like the nails that they would like to have. And honestly, going and getting an acrylic set or a gel set or even just a regular manicure is, again, outside of a lot of our budgets. Again, mine included, hence me having this manicure right now. Like, look at how bad my nails are. And I have bottles and bottles and bottles of nail polish, and I honestly love to paint my nails. However, with drying time and Emberly, and she's just getting into everything, I don't have the time to really sit down and do a good job painting my nails and wait for them to dry unless I feel like being up until 2 in the morning. I found these again at the Dollar Tree and I've fallen in love, and I just need to tell you all about them because they're amazing, and they're, again, just such cute patterns. So especially like these gold, like stripy pair, if you could find or even paint your own nails like a dark blue, oh my gosh, how cute would that be? I think I'm gonna try and do that. I think I'm gonna try and find dark blue nails at the Dollar Tree and use these as like an accent nail for the 4th of July. How cute. And then if you nail stamp and anchor onto that, okay, we're getting a little complicated. We're getting a little complicated. But I just thought I would share my success story of these fake nails and show you just really quickly how you can put them on. I personally push back my cuticles whenever I do these. I use the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover Maximum Strength. This literally works in an instant, and a metal cuticle pusher, and I just doop 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 doop. But you don't have to do this step. You don't have to push your cuticles back at all. There are times whenever I have not, and I've just popped them right on, and there you go. So that's up to you. I have previously pushed back my cuticles though to be in this state. Then I take a nail file and I will buff down the tops of my nails just so that it creates a little bit of texture on the nail for the glue to adhere to. You can do this as much or as little as you like. I personally have a little bit of leftover nail glue on here to begin with, so I'm just going to rub that off real quick on all my nails. So just buff down all of your nails. You also might have to trim down your nails. If you do, that's fine. Just file the edge so that it's rounded off as well. These nails are not very long. Sorry if this is like that noise is bothering anybody, the nail file noise. I know that it really bothers my husband Justin, so apologies in advance if that's bothering anybody, or not in advance. These nails are not very long, or at least on my nail beds they aren't very long. If you have shorter nail beds, then they might be a little bit longer on you, but I will explain that later on whenever we're measuring the actual nail before we glue it on. Make sure that none of your natural nail is sticking out underneath, so you might have to trim them or just trim them really, really short in the very beginning, and then you don't have to worry about that. Once you're done prepping your nails, buffing them, trimming them, filing them, pushing back the cuticles, whatever you want to do, which you don't even have to do any of that if you don't want to. You can just pop them on with some glue. Then you're going to actually measure them to your nail. So what I like to do, and I'll pop up a picture right here, is I actually like to pick out the nail, measure them to see which one fits which finger the best, and then I like to place them in the order that I need them, because it's a little bit easier instead of picking them out of the package after every single one that you need, to just know which one fits your finger already. That's personally what I do. You don't have to do that, but again, I have found that it's just a little bit easier and quicker going through and having them already in the size order that you need. Right before you put your nails on, you need to get some 100% acetone nail polish remover and cotton balls. I already had this. The remover is like $1. I got this from Meijer. You can get it at Target. The dollar store, I do believe, has some. You can get most of these products at the Dollar Tree, but again, most people have the nail polish remover in their house, but remember, it needs to be 100% acetone nail polish. Then you're just going to wipe off each nail and cuticle just to make sure that there are no oils on your nail, or the glue won't be as effective in sticking to your nail. So your nails are in order, your fake nails are in order, your nails are prepped. You need to now get your nail glue, and this one's from Kiss. It was like $1.39 at Target. I know that the Dollar Tree does sell nail glue, some do at least. I, again, just picked this up at Target. A lot of previous nail kits that I've had come with glue. I just have nail glue everywhere. I mean, some people use super glue. I'm not going to suggest that you do that, but some people do. And now what you're going to do is you're going to glue them on. What I will say from previous experience, do not glue your pointer fingers and your thumbs until the very, very end. So you're going to do your pinky, your ring, and your middle fingers on each hand first. Then you're going to do your ring, or your pointer and your thumb on your non-dominant hand, and then you're going to do your thumb and your pointer finger on your dominant hand last. That is a lot of trial and error, but I have found that that works the best. Now, nail glue, mine dries really, really quick, like 3 seconds quick, so you need to work really, really fast, which is why I put my nails in order beforehand. But what you're going to do is just take your nail glue, you're going to put a nice thin layer on your whole nail. I know a lot of people do drops. I found that a nice thin layer works. Take your nail, slide it on as far back as it'll go, hold it down for like 3-5 seconds, and there you go. Boom. Wonderful nail. And that's it. And you just do that for the rest of your hand. Now, I will say that sometimes, like on this finger in particular, I used a little too much glue. It is a lot of trial and error to see how much glue you'll actually need for each nail. Some you'll need more than others, so you just really have to kind of be your own judge. It does take a little bit of practice, so if you don't get it on the first try, don't worry because they're dollar nails. You can soak them off in acetone nail polish. You put this in a non-plastic bowl or like non-metal bowl, and then you can soak your nails and they will melt off quite nicely. However, look at how cute that is, just the polka dots. Alright, so now we're just going to do it again. I have found though, using a little bit more glue makes them stick a little bit better than not using enough glue, because I've definitely been there where I just put 2 little dollops of glue on my nail and then they were off in a matter of like days because moisture got underneath the nail. So I'm definitely of the opinion that if you do put little drops down, that you spread them around on the whole nail, because then your nails are going, or your manicure is going to last a little bit longer. Also, if you get glue, I should also mention this, if you get glue on the pointer finger that you're pressing down on, just wipe it off or just soak your fingertip with some of the acetone nail polish and a cotton ball, because if you don't, then you're going to get glue on top of your nail and it's going to be really noticeable and it's going to get really messy really quick. Again, personal experience. So just make sure that you're not having any glue on your pointer finger that you're pressing them down on, or that you're pressing down on with. Another tip as I'm putting these on and I'm kind of talking as I'm going, if you do get any glue underneath your nail bed, like you might feel it's a little bit tight, that will go away in a couple days, but if it's like really annoying you, you can take a Q-tip soaked in the acetone nail polish and just soak underneath there so that it does lift off. It does not bother me because I have been doing this for, you know, a few weeks or a couple months, so that doesn't bother me. I know it doesn't bother a lot of other people out there, but in the event that it does bother you, just use the acetone nail polish and be very careful. And voila! Your nails are done. Again, this isn't meant to be anything like serious. You didn't obviously pay a lot of money, so if you're looking at them like super up close, you can definitely tell that they're just some like cheapy fake nails that you got at the dollar store. But from far away, or if you're going to an event, or if it's like last minute that you just need like something that looks a little bit more polished and manicured, honestly, you cannot beat the Dollar Tree dollar fake nails. These ones are obviously a little bit more, that one, no. This one's a little bit high. The French manicure ones look stunning. I got so many compliments on them, and again, they're just like something a little bit fun. Like these are these would probably be really good for like Easter. If you had like a dress, an actual dress in mind for these. So just enjoy it, have fun with it. I know that these tealy polka dot ones aren't for everybody, but again, they have so many different kinds. They have French manicures, they have French manicures with silver strips, they have French manicures with bows, they even have like the coffin style nails, like really pointy ones. I don't know. I honestly think that people don't give the Dollar Tree enough credit for some of the things that they have there. And again, if you're in a pinch and you need to have your hands look slightly more manicured than normal, the Dollar Tree is where it's at. I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. I haven't been. Everybody has always given me nothing but compliments whenever I wear these nails, so honestly, haters gonna hate. I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get my dollar manicures. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you found it helpful, then please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you found it helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Do you love the Dollar Tree? What have you found at the Dollar Tree that you just absolutely love, that you cannot live without, and that people would be like, what? The Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.